Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. Now, if you're watching this video, you're a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, or business owner. This channel is all about business growth and success. So while you're here, take that finger of power out, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification to know all about new content that I make every single day on this channel. So I forgot my sunglasses, so I'm a little squinty in this. Now, this message is all about using social media for your offline business. Now, you might or may not be able to see over there. This is a pub called the Anchor, and we're somewhere in Seatown over here. Now, I've never seen a pub like this in my life. This pub has about 50 people. It's hard to see all of them there. They go around the corner as well. 50 people queuing just to get a seat. Like, it is crazy, crazy busy. And we've heard about this place all on social media. We've seen about it on Instagram. And often we don't want to, as business owners, we believe that word of mouth and all this other stuff, or we think our business is different and we don't need this social media stuff. But I'm telling you, you need to get involved, whether you're an online business or an offline business, in marketing your business properly. Now, this pub, I'm expecting good things with the food, but I bet there's other pubs just as good that could have a similar situation where they have people literally queuing up. Like, we were told you have to get here early, you can't book a table. It's a queuing system. And we're here in September when we're filming this video, right? It is a nice day, but it's in September, guys, so it's not like it's peak summer holidays. All the kids have gone back to school. It's a little chilly, and it's still packed. Like, I've never ever seen a pub where you have to have such a queue of like 50 people, and this is at midday, right? So I'm not talking 2 in the afternoon. People have got here early to queue, and they've done that because they've seen on social media, everyone says this is the place to go, this is the place to get your lunch or your dinner, and so because of that, they've got raving fans, they've got lots of word of mouth, they've got scarcity as well, because people know there's a queue, they know they've got to get here early. All of those things combine to having a very, very successful business. I'm sure these guys make a ton of profit, and so they should. And so look, if you want to learn strategies on how to use this internet marketing stuff, I've got great videos on Instagram, funnels and all that sort of stuff on this channel. But the best place to start is probably to go and check out my book, Expert Mastery. And so what I'll do is I'll put a link below where you can grab a copy of Expert Mastery for free. So do that now, and I'll see you guys soon. I better go and join the queue and have my lunch. Cheers, guys.